So I got some more motorcycle gear, and here is a black Cafe London jacket, Alpine Star belt, a bandana I think it's called, and a visor to my Origin Primo classic open helmet. So this is a vintage bubble visor in iridium silver, really cool. And here we have a green Bandit bandana, or a neck warmer, or whatever to call it. Here I have an olive belt with a black buckle from Alpine Star. Also the Alpine Star's logo on it, really nice. And lastly the leather jacket from Black Cafe London. So this is a black jacket with green arms and also Black Cafe London stitching on the shoulders. Really nice. Actually have several of those Black Cafe London jackets, and really love the style and design of those jackets. Also Black Cafe London from the inside of the color. And some final awkward pictures of me in my gym trying out the new gear. And to this, on the last one, I'm also wearing my grey-green Vanucci motorcycle boots.